Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the last Sudoku of this additional of Saturday newspaper on January the 30th, 2021. The last Sudoku I will solve will be a tectonic with 1 star. Yes, because the other seven Sudokus are solved. Look. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars is solved. Tectonic with 4 stars. Binary number 1 is solved. Binary number 2 is solved. So the last one is a Tectonic 01. Let me focus this puzzle. Come on, focus. Yes, it's focused now. This will be number 2254. All right, 2254. So let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. All right. And in earlier editions of the Tectonics, I've mentioned different kind of shapes. We have here the T shape or T construction. Here we have the L shape. This kind of shape is also important. This kind of shape is important because, let me start with the T. This box is connected with that box because those boxes are the same, have the same number. This also too with that box. All right. This shape, this box, have the same number as that box. Okay. This shape, this box is connected with that box. Okay, so have the same number. This is the same shape as that shape. So this box has the same number as that box. So we have a 2 here. So this should be a 2. Okay, because these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. Only 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Okay. The L shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have all the shapes? Look, this shape 5 have the same number as this 5. So where they filled in. Okay, so 2 boxes left here, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 3 are missing. Here also the 2 and the 3 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So those 2 boxes, these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. This shape. This box is connected with that box. Because these 4 boxes surround a 3, cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround a 3, cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Yeah. Those two boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. So this should be also 2 or a 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 1 because this box is also connected with that box. So the 1 should be here. Because these 3 boxes surround 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. So this box should be a 1. Then 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Those 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this can be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. And those 2 boxes are connected, so this should be also a 2. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 1. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 5, and this should be a 2. Yes. This box cannot be a 5, that box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And I've told you, this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 2. Then 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1. Alright. So, now, these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. I think this box should be a 3. No, it could be also a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be... No. 1, 5. I think this box should be a 4, because this box cannot be a 1 or a 5. I need a 1 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 and a 5 cannot be a 2, cannot be 3. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here. This box should be a... No. This box can be 1 or 5. Can be 3, 2 or 4. 2 or 4. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Can it be a 1, 4 or 5? Aha! I've told you this box is connected with that box. So this box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 1. So it must be 4 or 5. If I place a 5 here, then I need to place there a 5. But look, we have already a 5 there. So it cannot be at a 5. It's not the solution, the 5. So it must be the 4. So it's connected with that box. So this should be a 4. Alright. And now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. So this box should be a 4. Alright. Alright. Let me continue. 1, 2. Yeah. Alright. 1, 2, 5. This box can be a 5. Yeah. 2 boxes left, the 1 and a 5. Alright. That means that this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So, this cannot be a 5, but also this box cannot be a 5. So, 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. So now. 5 and a 1. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 5. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. Okay. We have a 5 over there, so those 3 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now I have a 5 here, so this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Okay. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. That means that box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 2 and a 1. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So this should be also a 2. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. 3 and a 1. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. 2 and a 3 are left. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1. This box should be the 1, and this should be a 5. 5 and a 1 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and a 1 left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right, great Tectonic. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you Monday. So have a great weekend. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. Bye bye for now.